Hey, cool cat. Welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about rhythm. So, if you've ever seen these little rhythms up there, those are 2/8 notes. Whenever you're listening to music, every song is made up of beats. Beats is how we count out rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 do do bo. Right? A beat is like a heartbeat, literally like your heart. It's a steady rhythm that's always consistent. With this, we can better understand what these little notes mean. In our favorite little song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we have beats in groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what